Let's find 1 over 4 of 6 centimeters in millimeters. 1 over 4 of 6 centimeters means 1 over 4 times 6 centimeters. From the SI unit table for length, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Then 6 centimeters will be equal to 6 centimeters times 10 millimeters all over 1 centimeter. Simplifying, 1 centimeter divided by 1 centimeter will give us 1, and 6 centimeters divided by 1 centimeter will give us 6. 6 times 10 millimeters will be equal to 60 millimeters. Substituting gives 1 over 4 times 60 millimeters. Let's simplify. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2, and 60 divided by 2 will give us 30. Simplifying further, 2 divided by 2 will give us 1, and 30 divided by 2 will give us 15, which equals 15 millimeters. Therefore, 15 millimeters is 1 over 4 of 6 centimeters in millimeters.